Good day, everyone, and welcome to a special episode of the THE-PH Icons, Journeys of Vision, Values, and Impact. Today, we are truly honored to have with us an inspiring figure in the Philippine restaurant industry, no other than Mr. David Sison.
Entrepreneur talaga ako at the beginning, and I really wanted to grow and build a business. So I helped her out, help her with the systems, help her with the recipes. And since I was taking up extra studies, parang madali for me to get advice from my professors. So we were able to standardize most of the recipes, but the foundation is really built on great tasting food. Alam namin na si Mama Lu, the recipes that we started at the beginning, masarap na talaga yung pagkain. The focus that I did was just put more consistency in everything that we do.
Who were your role models or key inspirations when you were starting out, and how have they influenced your leadership style?
Always fond of the leadership style of Steve Jobs. The who first, then the what. So his leadership style is getting the right people in place. And he doesn't tell them what to do. If you have the right people already in your organization, they tell you what to do. So it's not, so his leadership style is, even if people say that he's a bit autocratic, he brings out the best in people to the point that they, I think, already suffer. But in that suffering, comes out greatness. Then to be very flexible, because I don't believe that there's one style that fits all. You really have to adapt or change or adapt your leadership style depending on who you're working with. Entrepreneurs they always take the first step. Make sure you aim, but always take that first step. And after that first step, that is usually the hardest. And once you get past that, everything else will be easy. Constantly tells me. And in failure, always be humble. Always be guided by humility. And I guess that's what keeps you grounded in life. So I think that's very important in this industry. Especially in the hospitality. As you move up, never forget humility. That's what's gonna keep you going.